Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel DIY with Zini. I post crafty DIY videos here. So if you like creating stuff on your own, then consider subscribing. In this video, I'm sharing how to make DIY creative gifts for your mom on upcoming Mother's Day. You can also use this idea as a birthday gift for your mom. Watch this video till end because I'm sharing one super awesome last minute gift idea for Mother's Day. Also, it's just a part 1 of this Mother's Day gift series, so please subscribe for upcoming videos. Now go get your crafting supplies and let's get started. For our first DIY, you will need a phone case for your mom's mobile. Then you will need a white gesso. Apply 2 coats of white gesso to mobile cover. If you don't have this gesso, then you can also use white acrylic paint. But in that case, you will need to apply 2 to 3 coats depending on which brand you are using. Once your gesso is completely dry, then draw some random blobs onto the cover using a pencil. This design is inspired by a post that I designed in Canva for channel update. Once you are happy with the design, then it's time to paint this phone case using your favorite acrylic paints. I used acrylic paints in purple, pink, blue, yellow, green and orange colors. In short, all the rainbow colors. But then I was not happy with these 3 colors. Those are too bright for me. So I switched it with pastel pink, green and orange by adding some white acrylic paint to them. Then I applied a second coat of lighter shade. Let these colors completely dry and then start doodling some fun abstract shapes using black acrylic paint. Let your creative juices flow and draw whatever you want. It will look fabulous in the end. That's the beauty of abstract painting, that everyone's piece is different, unique and beautiful. Once you are happy with the results, then keep it aside to dry. Finally, add a coat of Mod Podge glue or any other sealer on top, which will prevent chipping of paints, and then let it dry overnight. And our first super creative gift is ready. I think your mom will love to receive this piece of art. Now let's hop on to the second creative DIY gift idea. This gift idea is very useful and also great for our environment. So it's a win-win gift idea for our lovely mom. To make this DIY, you will need a canvas tote bag or shopping bag. I'm using this giant bag that I purchased from Amazon. Links to all the products that I'm using in this video are listed in the description box down below, so please check it out. First, you will need to insert a thick sheet of paper inside the bag, which will prevent any mishap during painting. Then, draw any pattern you like using pencil. I chose to personalize this bag using my mom's initial along with a beautiful floral wreath. Next, I'm using this palette of yummy fabric colors. Now, start this meditative painting process. There's nothing much to explain here, so enjoy the music. Once you are done with painting, then let it dry overnight and our super beautiful gift is ready. I'm totally in love with this tote bag painting idea. I'm sure that my mom as well as your mom will love this useful personalized gift that she can happily flaunt. If you are enjoying this content so far, then please hit like, share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to this channel for more such DIY videos. Now let's hop on to our next DIY gift idea. For this next project, first you will need to protect your work surface using parchment paper or butter paper. Then you will need a ball of air dry clay. Next, start rolling it with rolling pin or any cylindrical object. Make sure to roll that as even as possible. Then trace an oval shape using a knife. Next, carefully cut it out. Now, roll this remaining clay to form a snake. Now, measure the length you will need to make a rim and then remove the excess clay. Next, I am drawing hatch lines using a knife. Then, you will need a slip to join these two pieces together. I'm also using this clay and water mixture to smooth down any crack or rough surface. Then leave it to dry for at least 2 days or until your clay hardens completely. After drying, I am using a pencil to sketch an abstract version of a beautiful woman. Then I am carefully painting it using a size 0 brush and black acrylic paint. And our beautiful trinket dish is ready. I'm in love with its organic handmade look. It's an awesome table decor piece and also a great way to display your jewelry. Now let's hop on to our last DIY gift project. Now if you are too late to make any of these gifts, then no problem, I have a solution for this. Here's the last minute DIY gift idea. For this DIY, you will need an empty box. Any kind of box will work here, so don't worry. Then add some chocolates that your mom likes. Now you can decorate this box however you want, but for last minute solution, I have already designed this for you. You can download it and print it out on white paper. Link for this image is provided in the description box down below. Then Stick this image onto the box with any glue you have at home. I'm using this double-sided tape. And your last minute gift for your mom is ready. You can also replace chocolates here with some homemade desserts that your mom like. I think that will be a very thoughtful gift. Let me know which DIY gift you like the most in the comment section down below. Also, if you recreate any of these DIY, then please share pictures with me on Instagram with #DIY with Zini. I would love to see them. Also, please have a look on upcoming parts of this series. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my next videos. For more inspiration, I handpicked these two videos for you. Have a magical day. Happy crafting!